What's up? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our people at YouTube. How you guys doing today on this beautiful midnight? This is your host, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. Raise Your Frequency, Mr. No Real Estate Investor, coming to you on this special and beautiful night. Like I said, some great things have been happening in the crypto field. Um, right now we are showing you. I have my friend Dan on the phone. Say hi, Dan.
How's everybody doing? Hello.
Can you guys hear him, or do you need to speak a little bit louder? Hold on, let me get him a little bit closer to the computer. Can you say hi again?
Hello, how's everybody doing?
Can you, if you guys could hear us, say hi. A comment below. So right now, what we're doing, man, we are figuring out ways to invest our money and have our money work for us. You have heard that having your money work for you is the fastest ways to become financial independent. Also the fastest way to retire from your job. Um, and for a hardworking individual, we're sometimes very skeptical of things out there, and sometimes we have to walk out in faith and hope things to work out as it's been pictured to us or has been told to us. So this is one of the products that when I was approached to it, I was like, "No, man, this is way too good to be true." Where you're telling me you're gonna pay me 150% back of my investment in 16 days? Yep, they're gonna pay you 150% return on your investment within 16 days, guaranteed. So I understand the crypto field is on fire, so I didn't want to throw that on the water. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try it. I go, everybody's been scammed. I've been scammed a few times. So I was like, you know what? Let me invest something small, because investments is the amount of money that you're willing to lose and it's not going to affect you. So I was like, you know what? If I lose $100, I don't mind. It's only $100. I tried it so I could have personal experience if that product or service works. So I tried it for a couple days, and it delivered what it said it was doing. So I was shocked. I was happy. So I called my friend Dan, and Dan, I told him, "Hey Dan, this product does this, does that. It returns your investment, it guarantees, it pays you daily, every single day. You get paid by just a push of a button." Dan, with no hesitation, very few questions, he's like, "You know what, Saul? I'm on it." We jumped on board. We got on Cash App, transferred some money through a wallet, and boom. And you could have his testimonial. We did this on Thursday around 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock. So it was Friday, um, and by Friday afternoon, you were able to cash out right away, right, Dan?
Yes. Um, it showed me right away how much I had earned overnight right away, and I actually reinvested what it showed me I had made, so I put it back in so that it could continue to roll over.
Okay, and wow, that's one powerful thing. You know what I mean? Like I said, instantly, like within hours, he was able to get paid. Um, And like I said, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter the amount that you start with. You know what I mean? Obviously, if you put bigger amounts, you will get faster returns. And you're gonna get motivated faster. So I'm gonna show you guys what a good, decent investment should look like. You know what I mean? Um, I have my link below so I can show you and walk you guys this. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make 150% return on investment, protected and guaranteed. Okay. Boom. I'm about to put in $2,000. So can you guys see me still? Okay. So I'm gonna invest. Like I said, I'm not just a salesperson. I'm not somebody just pushing you a product. I'm not just somebody pushing you a service. I am somebody that uses these tools, these services, these products. So I know how they work. So I'm giving you guys my testimonial. I'm just documenting my journey. So I trust this product so much that I'm going to put my whole $2,224. That's 22 contracts. But you could start as little as $10. So there's no reason not to invest. So okay. So look, I'm getting paid 28% a day for the next 6 days. 28% a day for the next 6 days daily with just a push of a freaking button. 30 days guaranteed. Who else is giving you a guaranteed? You just push this button, get paid now. And I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Okay? Are you guys still with me? Are you guys still with me? Let me know. Okay, so we're gonna go there, we're gonna hit purchase, confirm. Let's confirm. Are we confirming that we're doing the $2,000? Yep. Confirm it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's make this money. Dan, look at that. You have successfully purchased 200 premium. Premium. Dan's gonna do a live video after I'm done, doing something similar because we're trusting this. It it's it's life changing. Like the opportunity and the investment that it's giving you, it's a way that you might have a chance to breathe again, to be able to be like, wow, like, because a lot of us, like 60% of Americans battle with anxiety, stress. You know what I mean? So let's see who else. So just that quick, look at that. You have successfully purchased 222 premium contracts. Guaranteed, man. Crypto's on fire. Um, if you guys saw my video that I did before, $1 billion was given away on Thursday for the for people that were utilizing cryptocurrencies and its tools. Thank God, me and some of my friends that I deal with my network, we were blessed by having that extra money that we're playing with in this arena. So our return on investment is pretty much infinite because it was given to us as a gift for trusting this new system that's coming about. Okay. So now, okay, we got that. So now we got that. You got paid. So now let's get paid. Let's get paid, button. Let's get paid. Let's see. Let's see. Watch this. Let's watch this. Okay. So I just did that. People still watching? Oh, if not, I don't care. I fucking. It's just a little journey recording. So anything you have to say, Dan, as this is going on?
Well, I'm also trusting in the, your phone call to jump in um, afresh to this type of investment, and a lot of people had gone in to jump into Bitcoin mining, and I was interested in, you got to get all these servers and try to find the algorithm so that you can mine Bitcoin. But I honestly think that this is a little bit better. It's actually kind of effortless because you're investing into something that's already running, and you just put your money in there and it works for you, and you just watch it. I guess you just watch it turn, and um, with what we're doing, you're trying to make a little bit more money, and you can start with $100, you can start with 30, start with whatever is feasible for anybody to put in there just to test the waters and see how it works for you. And once you see that it works or it doesn't, then you can continue. I actually need the money, so I saw the opportunity of 150% return. To me, that's a no brainer, you know, and I think that we lose more money buying senseless things or senseless purchases to where at least I'm willing to risk my $1,000 that I put into it. I'm willing to risk it because at least to try something, and not everybody has $1,000 to invest. I don't have $1,000, but I'm willing to see the return on it, and that's mainly the reason that I did it because I saw more of the benefits than the risk, and I mean I'm hoping that this goes very well, and there's still risk involved, but I think that whoever is in need of a return, if you're willing to wait the 8 days or 7 days, depending on what the system tells you, if you're willing to wait and wait for that return and just watch your money grow, then I think that you're doing what a lot of us want to do. We just want to make it out, on top and become financially uh, free, I guess. But that's pretty much what I have to say.
Wow, wow. Well, you said a lot, and it's true, man. It's true. We have some people that they do Bitcoin mining. My boy, Christopher, my boy, Mr. Coleman. Those are people, some hardcore miners that have been doing this for years. I've been following some of their work. Mr. Admir, one of the person that taught us about cryptocurrency, about understanding this a couple years ago when my father passed away about 2 years ago. There's been some very good people that have opened up our eyes and put us in great position to win and utilize. And there has been some steps to getting us where we're at right now, where I'm going to show you right now where we just did invested in 222 contracts, and we're going to click this get paid now and see what it gives us back. Are you guys ready to see it? Then
Then do it, bro.
let's do it. Boom, bro. Guess how much it just gave me?
How much?
$310.
Just for what you did right now?
Just for what I just did right now. Just for what I just did right now, I just got back $310. How long was that long in that investment for? Seconds?
Second.
Like that's what we're telling you, the power of what's going on right now. The like if people don't understand right now, we are going through a transformation, a liquidation of the biggest wealth transference right now. And just it's just mind boggles me how some people are sleeping on this things, this opportunities. You know what I mean? Like it just boggles me. Like wow, like why would you? You know what I mean? Like a lot of people that got stimulus packages. You know what I mean? Like they have gotten tens of thousands of dollars free on the government. Imagine investing $100 in yourself, having the government support you, or have an investment that the government paid for and start helping you pay off your things. Especially because, like I said, through the and that's been helping. That's what's been keeping the economy kind of still afloat before it completely collapsed. Is allow that inflation and creating of new money. You know what I mean? If it wasn't for that, you know what I mean, this pandemic would have really caused the biggest world depression that we have ever seen, worse than the Great Depression. You know what I mean? And like I said, there's few people that know this. There's few people that know this. There's a lot of data that proves it. We passed because there's stages of how you go through a depression. You go to a depression. a depression before you go through a recession before you go through a depression. We just went straight from expansion all the way down to depression in a matter from zero to 100 real quick. You know what I mean? Like like there was no stop loss in that motherfucker. That shit went straight down very quick. It affected a lot of small businesses. We had some of our businesses, they got affected. They got affected. You know what I mean? Even though we were trying to do good for the community. You know what I mean? It happens. So we're always out there trying to figure out a way to turn that $1 to flip it and make some more out of it. You know what I mean? Um, and we're always trying to do it legally, lawfully, and ethically. And cryptocurrencies and then forex trading and Bitcoin mining and a lot of those stuffs are very good avenues to do it if you have the capital. You know what I mean? Sometimes you don't. You know what I mean? And that's where good programs like this, where you can start with $10. You know what I mean, or whatever you got. So there's no reason not to do it. So with that quick of a button, bro, because I don't want to make this video too long, because I'm pretty sure by now your deposit should already had kicked in, ready to go. Get ready to bro, so you can see. Oh, it hasn't. Okay, but so you saw that? Like I said, I got 222 contracts. So tomorrow, by this time, I'm gonna click this. And remember, I get this. This is half payment because on weekends they only pay you half. Monday through Friday, I'm gonna get $620 just by coming to this website again and pushing the button. The power. That's the power. So with that being said, we're signing out, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. Race Your Frequency. Don't be left behind on this, Mr. Dan. About to say buy, invest in yourself, invest in your future. I'm trying to show you guys my journey, our journey, share to you guys that it doesn't matter the seed, it's just the matter that you're willing to put in the work to get to the better place, to get that harvest, to be able to get you through the winter. And God willing, you plant enough that you're able to barter and make some money off it. With that being said, peace, love, and abundance be upon thee, because that is your God given right. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.